Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a Next.js project on Cpanel. First, build your Next.js project locally using npm run build or yarn build. Then, export it as a static site using the Next export or generate an out directory. Now, compress the out folder into a .zip file for uploading to Cpanel. Log into Cpanel and go to File Manager, then navigate to public_HTML. Next, upload and extract the zip file inside the public_HTML directory. Ensure index.html and all static files are directly inside public_HTML. Now, remove any placeholder files like index.php if they exist. Visit your domain to confirm your statically exported Next.js site is live. For dynamic features, consider deploying to Vercel or using Node.js with API routes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.